All right, welcome back. We have three very special guests in studio this morning from the Creation Safari Wildlife Park. We have Sarah Sappington joining us with this little joey named Maverick and Tank. All right, thanks for coming on this morning.
You're welcome.
And thanks for bringing both of these wonderful animals.
Yes.
You want to tell us a little bit about their stories?
So this is Maverick. He was born at our park. His mom was born there, raised there. I bottle fed her. She lived in our house till she was a little over a year old. And Maverick lives with us now. He drinks a bottle 4 times a day, eats grain. Everybody that comes to the park gets to hold him or pet him, their preference. He loves attention. He loves to be rubbed, snuggled, played with. He's very playful.
How big is he expected to be?
Now our male we have at the park, when he stands up, he is 6 foot tall. So they can weigh up to 100 pounds, the males. Females weigh around 70.
Are they still considered friendly to be around when they get that big? Or?
Most of them. This guy, it depends on how they were raised. Now our male at our park, we didn't raise him, but he will be. And I can still go in the pen with his mom and pet her and play with her, and she's full grown. She'll eat out of my hand. But yeah, they do, as long as we continuously work with them and pet them. Yeah. Pet them and play with them.
That's what they know, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then Tank obviously is a very large tortoise. So why don't you tell me a little bit about him?
He's a rescue. He's approximately about 35 years old. And he's very heavy. He weighs about 70 pounds. We have a tortoise play area in our park that kids can get in, and they can pet them and take pictures with them. It's a big highlight of a lot of kids. We have 8 of these tortoises, and our biggest one is 90 pounds.
Wow.
So
are they all the same breed or different breeds?
Yes, they're all Sakata tortoises.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool. Yeah. Okay, and you guys have a new encounter, a new animal there, a sloth.
Yes.
Is it a 2-toed or 3-toed?
It's a 2-toed sloth. So they have 2 toes on the front and 3 on the back. So being he's got the 2 toes on the front, he's considered a 2-toed sloth.
And that's the bigger breed of the 2, is that correct?
Yes. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's a big highlight of everybody. They always ask to see him.
That's cool. Okay, so why don't you tell me a little bit about when you guys are open and how that works?
So we are open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, 9 to 4. So if you want to come just for a day admission, it is $12 for an adult and $10 for a child. Under 3 is free. And then we do offer a season pass, which runs from the day you buy it to the end of November. And that's $22 adult and then $16 for a child.
And it's an additional fee if you want to do the sloth encounter, but there's a lot entailed into that sloth encounter.
You go in with either me or my husband, and we spend 20 minutes in there talking about different interesting facts, where the sloths came from, how they hang, the environment they're in, and we try to mimic all of that. And then you get to feed him, you get to pet him, as many say, take selfies with him, different things like that.
That's cool. So, that's really cool.
Yep.
Okay, so you can find more information online, of course,
about
all of that. Mm-hmm. Thank you so much for coming on.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Real quickly, where are you guys located?
We're in Wyandotte, Oklahoma, which is just right outside of Seneca. It's very close. Well,
thank you for being such a well-behaved guest, Tank. Appreciate it. Didn't run off on me. You did great. And you did too, Maverick. What a cutie. All right. Well, thank you so much for coming on, Sarah. We'll be right back.